I decided to share with you guys that I was able to get a viral jelly cooling blush stick from Milk Makeup. Spritz, which is the coral, Splash, which is sort of the berry looking one. So it comes on very cold, very cooling. Look, when you guys can see this. The fact that it's this and it looks like, and it feels super soft. See that? And jiggly. See the bounce there? You know, with blush, you usually have to put on 2-3 different types of layers of blush so that it could stay on all day. Well, with this, there's no reason for that because, you know, since it stains. So the only thing is that when you apply this, you have to really work fast, work it in because it starts staining immediately. You can apply it pretty easily and just kind of work it in. And this is like a nice coral light shade, so the color is pretty. Take a bite out of it. This is the Splash, which is the berry one. Now this is what the Splash berry looks like. If anything, it smells a little bit like makeup-y, but there's no smell to it. It's a stain and you could use it as a lip stain. Oh, it feels very soft and cooling. Eyes immediately. It feels pretty moisturizing too, to be honest. And this is the Splash. Okay, there you go. How's that look? Light texture. So this is the Splash, and this is the coral Spritz. I like both of them. I actually really like the consistency of it. I even like it better as a lip stain. Which one do you guys think looks better? Coral